3 a.m.
You know, I gotta wake up at fucking 6 to go to school.
I do too.
Come on, answer the fucking phone, dude. After this, I'm going to sleep, my nigga. So hurry the fuck up. I'm trying to get my job done over here.
You have reached the Sprint voicemail box of 20951884494.
Hey, Ricky. Hey, it's over here, Azul Morales. And hey, man, I am fucking horny right now. Oh, I heard you got a nice little tight butt. But oh, I heard your cock is so big. Oh, I'm tasting it. Oh yes, I'm tasting it. I'm even laughing at how I can taste your cock in my mouth. But you know, it's Azul, and we can make things colorful. If you know what I mean. You give me your little white stuff, and I give you my little white stuff, and we make blue. That's how I work. You know, we make blue baby blue, like Blue's Clues. You know, it's a little blue thing. Well, my blue thing is very big. You know, 9 inches, 9 inches. Just to tell you, 9 inches. And I hope yours is somewhat around the size. But I heard you have a small, nice little butt. You know, spank. And you know, I want to open it in between and go deep in there. Oh, yes. It makes me horny. It makes me horny talking to 16-year-olds knowing I'm 74. And you know what, man? If you ever wanna have a fantasy, a crazy weekend, I'll take you to Napa, get you drunk, and you won't even remember everything. So you don't have to regret fucking a gay guy. Okay? Well, if you wanna give me a call back, papi, it's Azul Morales. If you give me your white stuff and my white stuff, we make Blue Junior, okay? I love you, baby. Oh, horny. I'm gonna start masturbating. Oh, yes. Oh, Ricky, the nice little tie, but let me jerk you off too. Oh, yes. Oh, yes. Oh, yes. Oh, yes. Oh, almost there. Oh, I can feel the tingling sense. You know what I mean. When you feel that tingling sense, your veins pop out of your penis. Oh, see how I'm slowing down is because I'm coming. Oh, it's really warm. Oh, you did a great job. It's really warm. Oh. Hey, Mom, where's the Kleenex? Mom, I can't find Kleenex. I just masturbated, so it's really funny when I masturbate because I forget to buy the Kleenex, and now my mom has to clean up after me. I don't know what the fuck I said.